everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking, and as you can see from the title, today we're going to be doing a clean with me. So grab your cleaning products and clean along with me. And oh my goodness, there's 453 of you. That makes me so happy because you guys enjoy my content. So without further ado, grab your cleaning products and let's dive right into today's video. So this is one part of the house that I normally see the dust building up, and I have been meaning to get clean, but I've just never had the time to actually force myself to get this part done because I think it's one part that I'm always too busy to touch. So today I decided I'm going to really force myself to get into it, and I thought, oh, I'm sure you guys might need some cleaning motivation, and I know I haven't done a clean with me video in such a long time, so I'm hoping this will give you guys the motivation and the boost that you guys have been looking for. And honestly, it happens. There's some parts of the house that you don't normally clean, not because you don't want to, but because it's just, like for me, the bathroom, I know it's one area I use quite a lot, but it's my least favorite thing to clean, so some parts do get neglected. And yeah, so I'm just basically wiping off the product. I use the flash cleaner. Gosh, I can't speak today. And I'm just wiping off, and I'm just gonna put everything back. So there's 453 of you. Oh my goodness, if I'm honest, I did not really think I would be here just yet because I feel like my upload schedule has been a little bit up and down lately, and I'm trying to get back into the groove of content creating. This year has been a little bit of a crazy one, but I'm slowly getting back into it, and I'm hoping that the content that I give to you guys, you enjoy it. But yeah, so 453 of you, it means so much to me because it means that, you know, my videos are helpful and you guys enjoy it. So if you are enjoying the content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not already, for lots of cleaning motivation and how-to videos. I do quite a lot of those whenever I can, or if somebody make a request for something, I will get that done for you. So 450, basically we're 50 or more away from getting to the 500 mark, and it would mean a lot to me, you guys, if you subscribed. And honestly, it means a lot to me when you guys do just leave comments and let me know or give me hints and tips or certain things that you guys want to see. So I really enjoy this community a lot, and it means a lot to me as well when I do something for you guys and something that you really want to see. So please continue supporting me, supporting my channel, and I will do my best to continue banging out the content and giving you guys what exactly that it is that you're looking for. So sometimes I've noticed that when I do a clean with me video, or sometimes I'm just so busy, I intend to record it, but I'm in such a hurry to get things done that I don't tend to record. And I find that because it's been summertime, I've been spending quite a lot of time outdoors with family, and it's been a massive heat wave in the UK, so I have not really done long videos as well because it is way too hot to be cleaning. So I'll probably just do like a quick clean around the house. But yeah, so look forward to longer videos. It's now cool and autumn is on its way, so I'm looking forward to that. It's my absolute favorite season. And yeah, I'm really excited actually to be creating more content for you guys. If you do have any questions or you have special requests, please let me know in the comment section below, or you can find me on Instagram. I do spend quite a lot of time there, so you can just drop me a DM and I'll do my best to get that done for you. So I am now just doing the cupboards because they also need a little bit of love. And with a toddler, my goodness, the doors and they just get messy really quick. So I'm just tackling those as well. But that's it from me today, you guys. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you enjoyed about today's video, and look forward to more content. Next week's video is going to be a declutter with me, so look forward to that. If you need help decluttering, the video for next week, Tuesday, is going to be for you. So until then, you have a lovely day. Bye.